Hey everyone. So I'm pretty excited for this week. I finally got a camera that I don't have to hold with my hands. I've been using my phone, and as you know, when you're working on anything in the garage and trying to hold your phone and get inside the car or underneath the truck, it's nearly impossible to get a good video. So this week I'm going to test out my new tire balancer, and we're going to see if this works. So I have to rotate all the tires on my truck. I have a Nissan Frontier out here, and I haven't rotated or balanced them in way too long. So that'll be done this week. We're going to see how good this bad boy works. I think it was like 67 bucks on Amazon, and then I also got these like adhesive weights to put on the tire if it's off balance. So like I said, pretty excited to be able to do it without holding the camera in my hand while I'm doing it.